Some people say that Raja is Andhbhakt. Can you explain what is mean by Andhbhakt nowadays?
Actually, some other caste like a Muslim say that Andhbhakt because we are believing in God, and if someone say that wrong,
Some Hindu also say that I am not Andhbhakt. You are like that.
not Hindu say that, it's like a what we are niche lower caste say that you are a Andhbhakt because you believe in God, and if someone say anything wrong with your God, so I that time I got very angry and I makes video, and sometime I gives abuse also, that they all are
Good people don't abuse.
yeah, but without abuse they don't understand because
Did Lord Rama ever abuse?
no, no sir, Lord Rama can't abuse.
But he killed Ravana as well. And he had victory on evil. And he had long fight, right? And then he gave a very nice message that the tolerance, one day you will have victory. Then, like bad words, a good person cannot speak bad words. Then how you are saying that speaking bad words for the bad people is good?
Not sir, it's not good, but lots of people say that it's Ramayana, it's fake, like a lower caste and
No, what people say that's okay.
Yeah.
But some people say that
It's-
that Ramayana is not fact.
not fact, it's not real, it's a fake.
So you abuse them to prove them yes there is Ramayana.
That time I say that it's what we call it's a real. That time I say that it's real. If someone roast me, then I roast him ya her.
Suppose that you believe in God, right?
Yeah.
So you say that there is God. If there are some other people they don't believe in God, so you should not teach them. Okay, it is their life, right? Why everyone should?
Actually, sir, I didn't teach to
But
them.
if they speak anything bad about God, then you become the manager.
Not manager. Then if someone say to, just like sir, if someone say to your family, so that time what you will do? If
I will stop them. Don't speak these words for my family.
But they didn't stop. So,
I'll complain. I believe in Indian constitution law.
but Indian constitution not do these types of things. That's why
I will not break the Indian law.
Yeah, so
Will you?
that's why that's Indian constitution also says that you will give abuse to another one.
Indian
Yeah,
constitution
say
says
that.
this.
But right now it's the didn't say. But in previous time he said that you can give anything, but don't kill him. Bas. Otherwise, you
What is your opinion on BJP? What kind of party is this?
If I talk about Bharatiya Janata Party, it's good party. Comparison to Congress party,
Comparison to other parties.
other party, because now now I like Yogi because Yogi is good CM of UP because in previous day I can't visit my village because village is not that much good, light is not coming, but after become Yogi CM from UP, then light is coming also and road is good, that's why I like. And he also support to Hindu and Muslim both.
What about Modi ji?
If I talk about Modi, he is also good, but sometime he didn't good that work.
So you are not that much happy with Modi as much happy you are with Adityanath, right?
Yeah,
So for you, the first good person is Adityanath, then Prime Minister.
yes. First is Yogi Adityanath, after that Pradhan of Narendra Modi.
But some people say that Adityanath, like Mr. Yogi, he is more strict. Like
Yeah,
he takes JCB action. He is breaking the poor people houses and like that.
Yeah, sir, he is very strict person. If some like in UP, what we call
Crime.
in crime is very
There was crime in you.
there was lots of crime in night time. Girls is not working on the road.
But today,
But right now, girls now freedom. They work on the road. And suppose that me also in previous time I went to my village. Then my mother said that don't walk up, don't don't walk on the road, because some what we call mafia and gangster came and snatch some phones and something.
But now,
But now it's good. We, my friends and me talk. I think
now
10 o'clock
the
and 11
UP is more safe.
Yeah, right.
Before it was not.
Yes. Like Yogi Adityanath do just like Dubai. They do directly action. They didn't things what the government thinks, constitution thinks. They didn't follow
So
constitution.
you think a person who does not think and he take decisions, he's a good man?
Yeah, I think so, because
If good people think.
yeah, good people thinks, but in if crime is going on, so what we thinks, like that's in Dubai. If someone snatch something, so Dubai what we prime minister and they will
They have a strict law.
low. That's why I like Yogi Adityanath, because if someone do any wrong things, they directly
Take
do
action.
action. They didn't think constitution what they think, because in previous times in a Congress
Do
time,
you think Mr. Yogi, he does not follow the Indian constitution? Are you saying this?
no, is also follow the constitution, but if
Which is most important, Yogi action or Indian constitution?
it's really, I say that it's Yogi action is good.
Not
Be-
Indian constitution.
Yeah, because the Indian constitution, if I say that in previous time some gangster do rape and now they is free by of Indian constitution, because they know how to save.
Who will be the next Prime Minister of India?
Maybe I think Yogi Adityanath, otherwise Raja Singh, maybe
Who is Raja Singh?
is a MP, maybe MP CM of that, maybe Singh.
In Madhya Pradesh.
Yeah.
Why not Yogi?
Yogi is, I think Yogi will become. Otherwise, what thinks Amit Shah? Next, who is coming up?
Amit Shah can also become the Prime Minister.
No.
Why not?
He's leading a party. Just like Amit Shah is a what we call
Leader of the party.
Yeah, leader of the party. Is next what chunav?
Next election.
In next election, what be stand of this party? His decision.
So according to you, you want that Adityanath should become the next Prime Minister of India.
Yes.
That's why the India will lead good.
Yes, maybe, because he's very strict. Like Dubai Constitution will become in India. It's very good for
So you
India.
want strict law in India.
Yes.
All right. It was nice talking to you. Clapping as to Raja. Thank you.